Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show you a very cool transition which you can use in any of your videos, called the push transition. Okay, let's begin. I have these two footages here, like two different footages, right? And I want make a transition between them. So you need to go to the effects, open video transitions, and then there will be a folder called slide, and then it's gonna be a push transition. You need to take this push transition and put it here between these two footages. Here you need to click on this footage, this transition again, and go to effect control, and in alignment you need to put this on the alignment center at cut, first one, and we have this effect right now. It's gonna be as like this. See, it goes like this. You can change the angles, of course. You want from which side you want. You need to click here or here. It's gonna be from top, from down to up, and from top to bottom also if you want. But mostly this is good from the sides. Let's put this back. We'll have it how it was, and now we have this transition. Let me render it so we can see it clearly. And look, it looks like this. It's pretty slow. We need to make it a little bit faster. For that, you need to take this side and just bring it a little bit closer to and then go to the center at cut again. It's gonna be a little bit faster than it was, like this. So now, of course, it looks boring even like that. And what if you want to make it a little bit more nice or professional, should I say? We need to go to the projects and click on this icon, new item, and then take adjustment layer and make it okay, and then take this adjustment layer and put between all these two files. Okay, now you can just cut it here. Like this. Now go to the effects and find dimensional blur. It calls video effects, blur and sharpen, directional blur. Take this directional blur and put it, drag it here. So go to the effects control, directional blur, and direction. Let's put it like around like 20 maybe, or lens also a little bit, like maybe 15. Okay. See, it's blurred now, as you can see. But we don't want to make this all footage to be a blur, the whole adjustment layer. For that, I think we'll need to make it like 50 maybe. Let's make it a little bit more, like 30. Okay, so now so I want to start this blur when it goes to the middle, and somewhere in the middle, and then goes back to normal, right? So we need to make a keyframe here. Like for example, you go to put here, and you make a direction. You put the keyframes here. Go back again, and put this to 0. Make 0 and 0. So it is gonna be starting from 0 to 50% when it starts, like, and then let's go here now. Let's go here now and make here 0 also. We need to make this 0 also. Well, my bad. We need to come back here because we made a 0. We need to put this keyframes to create the keyframes here. Let's go back here, and then it's gonna be 0 again. Wait. Okay, let's here in the middle is gonna be 50. Look here, maybe 20. Let's move this. And then the here let's put the 0 again. 0, 0. So now let's see how it looks. Let's render it again and see how it looks. My computer is pretty slow today. I'm sorry for a little bit derating, but let's see it again. Yeah, as you can see, it has a blur on it. That's why it's when it goes like this, and goes back to the 50, and then goes back to the 0 again. See? So it has a blur when it moves. See? It's much better, right? But it's still a little bit slow. You need to play around with this transition. Make it a little bit faster, because it's kind of slow. Let's make it a little bit faster. A little bit faster, and that way it's gonna be better. If it's a little bit faster, like this, maybe. It's something wrong with my computer. I don't know. Sorry, guys. It's a little bit freezing now. Like this. See, this is now it's much better. Like this. See. Yeah, it's very cool transition you can use in any of your videos. See, like this. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. A little bit something like a quick tip for you guys. Yeah, please subscribe and stay on my channel, guys. I will make more tutorials for you for sure. Have a great day and see you later.
Subscribe and leave a like.